To change between 12-hour and 24-hour clock on Mac, start by clicking the Apple menu located in the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select System Preferences. This will open a new window with various options to customize your Mac. In the System Preferences window, click on the Date and Time option. This will open another window where you can adjust your clock settings. Click on the Clock tab, which is usually the first option. Here you will see a checkbox that says Use 24-hour clock. If the box is checked, your Mac is currently set to 24-hour clock. To switch to 12-hour clock, simply uncheck the box. If the box is unchecked, your Mac is currently set to 12-hour clock. To switch to 24-hour clock, check the box. Once you have made your selection, close the Date and Time window. Your Mac will now display the time in your preferred format. You can verify this by looking at the time displayed in the top right corner of your screen. It is worth noting that changing the clock format will only affect how the time is displayed on your Mac. It will not affect the actual time or any scheduled events. Additionally, you can also change the clock format in the Notification Center by clicking on the Edit button at the bottom of the screen. Then clicking on the Date option and selecting your preferred clock format. By following these steps, you can easily switch between 12-hour and 24-hour clock on your Mac, allowing you to customize your clock to your preferred format. This can be particularly useful if you need to switch between formats for work or personal reasons.